The latest VS, the 4th generation Platinum yacht. The reconfigured version weighs about 150 grams. This version is currently the ultimate in the industry. The dial diameter is 42, which is suitable for the standard wrists of Asian men. Starting from a 17 cm wrist circumference, it can be worn from 21 to 22. The material is 94.2 zirconium steel, PVD 3-layer vacuum thickened and hardened platinum electroplating. You don't have to worry about blackening or fading. The bezel is the only one of Rolex, 3-dimensional ceramic with engraved physical time scales. It can rotate in both directions. It has a relatively dull sound. It's made of tungsten carbide ceramic with a 3-dimensional scale, sapphire high transparency lens with a hardness of 9, scratch resistant and wear resistant. This watch is called a walking luminous tube. All the time the scales and pointers are filled with luminous. The luminous is not only bright but also very large in area. It uses Swiss imported C3 super luminous powder, the ice blue luminous display. At 6 o'clock we can see a laser logo composed of 152 dots, anti-forgery crown. The hour hand has 69 nails and 12 triangles. All have rounded edges. It has a 2.5 times calendar window. The strap is made of nanosilicone. It has a memory steel sheet. It can be folded without leaving marks. It has sweat guide grooves. It's warm in winter and cool in summer and not sticky. Open the buckle. We can see the small crown and the buckle are integrated with no welding points. The dragon and phoenix logo stamps are all there. W5T steel stamp. The back is a sealed bottom design. We can see 4 chamfers, corresponding steel stamps. Code, small crown, balance, 750, doghead logo. The most core technical point of this watch is to disassemble the movement and verify. For every style of our watches, after being shipped, we will provide you with tools. We will provide tools proactively and support you to open it to check the Dandung 3235 movement. As we all know, it is an exclusive movement of VS and a contract movement, so if you open it and it's a Dandung 3235, you can directly identify it as VS. Boss, the back cover is polished with a circular wire. Every detail and every steel seal is in place. We can see that this movement is polished very brightly. Is it a ball bearing in the middle axis? It's very smooth. It will drive the half copper wheel 1-to-1. Double winding. The low-level red wheel will drive these more advanced gears and store the power in the spring case. If we wind it manually, we can see all the high-level gears can all rotate realistically. At 4 o'clock, we can see the 3235 movements logo has a physical gilded engraving. The double-arm shock absorber bridge. There is one on the right shock bridge and the left shock absorber bridge has one. The sun-shaped gear power flex shock absorber which adjusts the speed and clamping of the movement. It goes up. A large gold-colored balance wheel. In the middle of the balance we can see the blue oil silk. This oil silk is a precious metal made of a precious metal nickel chromium alloy. It has the triple effect of vibration resistance and temperature difference. This is the layout of the entire movement. Function details, power reserve, 100 volts bias adjustment, and the accuracy can be matched. It's a Swiss 3235 movement. It has a power reserve of 72 hours with a plus or minus error of about 5 seconds. It meets the International Observatory certification standard. Let's take a look. Its effect on the wrist. The white gold yacht is very stylish and it's a versatile style. From 17 centimeters wrist, you can start wearing it. My wrist is 17.5 and I can wear it. Follow and like. The anchor is called Ahe in the first line with 8 years of practical experience and a 4-year-old anchor. If you like any style, you can communicate and discuss at any time. You can communicate